Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the case collection brushed carbon fiber slim TPU case for the Sony Xperia XZ3. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So this is a protective case for the Sony Xperia XZ3 Android smartphone. This one is in black, it's also available in indigo. And the case is made out of TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane. Now let's go ahead and open up the packet. Well, of course, popping open the press seal and just making sure that there's nothing else left in the packet. And we can set the packet to the side right there, or perhaps on the right hand side. Let's just set it there, and of course moving the case to the middle of the frame right there, so giving you a nice clear look before my hands and fingers get in the way. And of course I should be putting it upright, and let's pop that packaging foam to one side and setting the case in the middle of the frame right there, nice and upright. And the reverse side as well. So this is the case collection brushed carbon fiber slim TPU case for the Sony Xperia XZ3. And now giving you a close-up look, and let me just put that foam out of the frame. And of course just making some minor adjustments to the background there with the shipping packet. Okay, and giving you this nice clear look right there. You can see it does have a diamond-like or cube-like structure on the inside of the case. And in the reverse, you can see that there are two carbon fiber effect sections on the top as well as bottom of this slim TPU case. And just how slim is it? You can see for yourself. It is rather slim right there. And just giving you a close-up look around the edges as well, and the cutouts and overall construction quality of this case collection brushed carbon fiber slim TPU case for the Sony Xperia XZ3. So obviously it's a little bit difficult to maintain autofocus given that this is such a slim case for the camcorder to focus on. So I'll just move very slowly and you can see the different buttons as well as the cutouts that run along the sides of this slim TPU case. And of course on the inside as well, just giving you a very thorough all-round look. And you can see that diamond-shaped structure providing a little bit of cushioning should you drop your phone. So minimizing the impact that your phone will sustain, given that there is that little bit of air cushioning. And you can see over there, there is some text that says the ultimate experience. Beg your pardon, let me read that again. The ultimate experience, Sony XZ3. And you can see the cutout for the fingerprint sensor as well as the camera and LED light or flash or torch. Okay, so nice, good all-round look on the inside. As well as the sides. Once again, trying to get that autofocus to come back on. and giving you that close-up look to the carbon fiber effect. Kind of bumpers that kind of protrude slightly to give that little bit of extra protection to the phone. And you can see that it does have a brushed effect, so not too shiny, on the main body of the case. So right there, you can see the full size of the case, and resting in the palm of my hand, just how big that case is. That fits equally for the very large Sony Xperia XZ3 phone itself. So now, good all-round look. You can see how the light plays on the case, as well as the carbon fiber sections on the top as well as the bottom of the case. So nice, good look. And of course, the only thing to do now is to fit this onto the Sony Xperia XZ3. And here we have a very freshly unboxed Sony Xperia XZ3 Android smartphone. You can see it in the previous video to this one. And you can see just how slim this smartphone is, and shiny as well. And the different positionings for the different buttons, as well as connectors and holes around the case of the phone. Okay, so now just giving you a look right here, side by side, the phone with the case collection, brushed carbon fiber slim TPU case. Okay, so now let's go ahead and of course pop the phone into the protective case. So right there, very simply popping one end, the top end, as well as the bottom and right along the edges, just making sure that it has a nice good fit in the case. And very simply, without any struggle at all, the case is now protecting the Sony Xperia XZ3, just like that. Very, very easy fitment, and giving you a look around the case with the phone fitted into it. So right there, and around the sides as well. So just bear with me as I try and get the camcorder to autofocus. There we go. We got there in the end, and you can see the positioning and cutouts do line up very nicely with the phone. And right there, of course, getting that autofocus to come in and moving right along, right there and there. So there we go. Angling the phone slightly will give that autofocus so that you can see the edges of the phone. And of course on this side as well, the top side. And right around again. So nice, good look around the sides of the case. So one more look, and this time doing it a little bit quicker with my fingers blocking the background so that the camcorder can maintain that autofocus and giving you a nice clear look at the phone with the case on it. So that's the back and the front, and then showing you that fitment right there, and trying to get the autofocus, and there we go. Perhaps being a little bit too shiny, but you can see now very clearly the fitment and side profile, of course. So the phone edges are exposed so that you can use the side of the bezel to operate and not lose any functionality. And of course, just doing a tap or knock test. You can hear just how sturdy that is. And should you need to place your phone down, and just showing you, of course, that rear cutout as well, quite importantly. Almost forgot that. Just to give you an idea of how well your sensors and your camera lens is protected. So nicely recessed. In the case, and providing some good level of protection. You can see just how nicely lined up the camera lens, the flash, as well as the fingerprint sensor is. And just showing you once again just how the light plays on the surface of this case collection brushed carbon fiber slim TPU case for the Sony Xperia XZ3. So that's the case collection brushed carbon fiber slim TPU case for the Sony Xperia XZ3. Thanks for watching and happy protecting!